year, loads of actors debut in Bollywood and crave for their movies to turn into blockbusters. But not all of them come out with flying colors. Yet, there is no dearth of young bloods who are determined to make it big in Bollywood regardless of their caliber. We saw many newcomers in Bollywood which made us wish if only we could stop them from acting. Let's have a look at 10 such debutants who tortured us with their disastrous performances. Someone has to tell Mimo Chakraborty that you don't always inherit talent from your parents' DNA. After the horrible fate of his debut film, Mimo turned into Wahan Akshay for Haunted 3D, thinking that audience would notice that he was the same guy who tried to act in Jimmy. This horror flick was loved by the audiences but only for the visual treat and not for his acting skills. Actor can act and singer can sing, but if you try to mesh them both, you get Aditya Narayan. We're sure with the fate of his first film Shapit, Aditya must have realized that one shouldn't try to go the Sonu Nigam or Himesh Reshammiya way and stick to his singing career. However, the lad still harbors a dream to alight the screens again. We just hope it doesn't happen soon. The best part of being a producer's son is that you can launch yourself numerous times. No, we're not talking about Uday Chopra. The so-called actor in question is Jackie Bhagnani. After his first debacle, he still went ahead and came up with Faltu. The movie was loved by the audience, but same couldn't be said for Jackie's performance. It is said that Jackie has even signed 2 more films. God help us. First, Aditya Suman was just known as Shekhar Suman's son, then as Kangana Ranaut's boyfriend. Even we don't remember the name of his debut film. His failed attempts at acting didn't fetch him any more roles. But that doesn't mean that we can heave a sigh of relief. The father and son are contemplating a film together. A confirmation is still awaited and we hope this wait never ends. It is quite interesting to watch how talented Sonakshi Sinha is in comparison to her brother Love Sinha. After a dismal debut in Sadhya with Rekha, Hema Malini and Rishi Kapoor, it's not surprising that Love is sulking at a corner with nothing to look forward to. Someone please tell him we already go through the misery of watching Tushar Kapoor and we don't want another one. The person to be blamed for making us watch Pakhi Tayarwala's miserable performance is John Abraham. Yes, you heard it right. Pakhi is John's discovery. She not only wrote a bad story like Jhoota Hi Sahi, but to worsen it, also acted in it. Shahzan Padamsee is like a plastic doll, literally. She can't act to keep herself alive. Even after working with actors like Ranbir Kapoor and Ajay Devgan, Shahzan just can't do anything but look pretty. However, since Bollywood today is more glam crazy than talent enthusiast, she is receiving a lot of offers. It proves that you don't require talent to survive in Bollywood. It is shocking to see that Aruna Shields is the same actress who had worked in many Hollywood projects. The only question that comes to our minds is what went wrong with Aruna when she stepped into Bollywood. All she did was sleazy roles in Prince and Mr. Singh and Mrs. Mehta. After watching Barbara Mori in Kites, people hoped that this Mexican beauty would return to working in Spanish movies. This international project failed badly at the box office and was even badly slashed by the critics. Yet, this imported lass wants to make more films here. Last is the Bhatt's discovery Neha Sharma. She made her debut with Imran Hashmi in Krook, but sadly couldn't hog the limelight due to her poor acting skills. Only her kiss with Imran managed to grab a few eyeballs. We are glad there isn't any more movies in the pipeline for this lass. Looking at this list, we wish we could have a no-entry sign to stop such worst newcomers from entering Bollywood. This is Sonal Vaikar for Rajshri.com.